What's up, Z Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking
about a shoe I've been waiting and watching and couldn't wait to get my hands on. I don't know if you can tell by the color of my shirt that I'm wearing today, but we are talking about the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB collab in the pine green colorway.
Yeah.
Man, dude. Before we get into that shoe, Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
You need to ring that notification bell. Get that John ringing, because you know we got the heat. You know you want it, so ring it and you're going to get it.
All right,
let's go.
Let's do that. So
all right,
now that's out of the way.
We got some heat.
I've been waiting on these. I've been watching these. This was the one that got away. If you've been around for this channel, you know that 4s are my favorite colorway. So the Air Jordan 4 SB came out, in, was that May? Was that May? April? Whatever the case may be. I entered a gang of raffles everywhere, skate shops. I drove to a few skate shops, like one, I'm in the Baltimore area, there's one in Annapolis. That's like a 45-minute drive, drove down, entered in the shop, raffle, man. I was like, nothing happened anywhere. So,
right.
Yeah, I was right. I put in a whole bunch of legwork for nothing, but, and then watching like the prices on these in the secondary just go up and go up and go up. And I finally just, I finally pulled the trigger, got these in hand now, and I'm gonna bring you this review. This may be review number, 585 that you've seen, but you ain't seen our take on it. Because this is not a brand new shoe, but it's new to us. And I'm just happy to have it and happy to just go over this shoe with y'all. And yeah, man, I'm just excited to review it. So, you with it?
Let's get into it.
All right, let's get into it. So first things first, let's take a look at the box. You guys have seen this probably, but I love the box. It's a Jordan 4 box. You got this cream sail, whatever kind of color.
Yeah.
Air Jordan Flight on there as usual. You got your normal underneath text. We're not gonna cover all of that. But I love that they gave us the Nike. So you got the Air Jordan and the Nike SB combo logo on like both corners of the box. Then of course you got your label. There you go there. Check that out. All right, while we're here, we don't wear boxes, but I like this box. It's a very cool box.
It is a cool box.
All right, nothing special
underneath. Cooler than the box though.
What? The shoes.
The shoes. Ready?
Yep. You got your cement tissue paper, and then we got these. We got these, buddy.
Ooh.
Yeah. Super clean Nike SB Air Jordan 4. Nothing special. It came with the shoe itself in the box. Just got the cement paper. You got the kind of white dividing paper in there as well. Yeah, no extra laces. And then we got the shoe, man. So this shoe is paying homage to like the military blue, military black, that same colorway, color blocking situation. I brought those out just so we can look at it and compare. The military black, and then you got the pine green Air Jordan 4 SB. And you will see some differences in the cut of the shoe, because this shoe has been re-engineered for skateboarding, right?
Skateboarded the Jordan 4.
Yeah, exactly. Skateboarded the Jordan 4. And this is, your regular Jordan 4, the skateboard Jordan 4. I'm just bringing this here just to look at a quick difference. But the color blocking, you got the suede along the toe cap and around the shoe. And then you got your hits of color right in the same places everywhere else.
Same grays.
Yeah, same grays, everything. So this shoe, the way they did this, I mean, this is fresh, man. They basically cut down the toe. You see this is a, big boxy toe on the military black, right? Yeah. But for skating, they supposedly removed the 4-foot air pad, air unit that's here, and slimmed this toe box down a lot, and then it's also a wider toe box. So supposedly also this is the cut of the 1989 Air Jordan 4. So the OGs, the OGs in 1989 had this narrowed down toe box and everything. So this is like a retro kind of cut to the
y'all
shoe.
Skateboarding in the Jordan 4s back in '89?
No. So and this isn't Jordan Brand's first collab. So this is the age of collabs, right? Everything's a collab. Nike is now collabing with itself. So you got Nike and Jordan Brand collabing with Nike SB. It's like, all right, we're just gonna do an in-house collab, which is dope though. I mean, but you know, Jordan
SB.
Brand, Jordan Brand and Nike SB did collab on the Jordan 1 years ago. Like there's like the Eric Costin and a couple of other, I think Paul Rodriguez initially skated in the Jordan 1. You know, of course, he later on got in the dunks and the What the Paul and all of that. But there's been some other SBs and Jordan Brand, but this is the first time we've ever seen an Air Jordan 4. And I've never seen a 2 or 3 or anything else, but an Air Jordan 4 SB. So, you know, this is
the first Jordan 4 SB.
Yeah, the first of its kind, which makes it so special, you know. And in my head, sneaker of the year candidate for sure, because again, something where they're changing the game, changing up the dynamic of a whole silhouette.
And then mixing the two different
those
areas
worlds
that have been separated.
Exactly.
Previously.
And I mean, the Nike SB on the back of the shoe, it's just dope, man. I mean, you know, you're used to the Nike Air or the Jumpman on the back, but they gave you Nike SB on the back of the Jordan 4, which is just dope. Some other changes that they made to this shoe, if you feel the wings on here, these are rubbery.
Oh.
Yeah, very rubbery. And the wings. Yeah, don't though.
I'm not.
Don't pull them off. Also, the heel tab. That heel tab is super, you know, like it's not real. But they did this on purpose because this is something that, you know, when you're skating, obviously, this heel tab, you know, will rub up against your ankle.
Yeah.
So it's all about making it comfortable. And the shoe itself, I mean, is just like a more softer, broken-in shoe because you can take it out of the box, put it on, get on your board, and get after it. Now, I don't skate. I don't know if you guys skate. Do you skate? Have you skated these? I know I've got a couple of buddies like on Twitter and things like that have skated in theirs already.
Wow.
And they can beat them up pretty quick.
They do.
Yeah, I mean, one guy, I know he's like, this green paint here is already like off of the shoe. You're doing ollies and all kinds of other kick flips and things like that.
That's gonna be
gone.
crazy to see though.
Yeah,
I'm really never seeing Jordan 4s looking like they getting skated.
Just getting beat, right? Exactly. But the shoe itself. So you got the all over leather. This leather is like really plush, a nice soft plush leather, man. Like all over. Again, nothing that's. Sometimes we get them and they're real stiff.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is really soft.
And you're getting a comfy pair of 4s too.
Yeah, exactly. So you got more padding along the collar of the shoe, the tongue. The main part of the upper is kind of, what's that?
The world is that?
What you got in there?
Yo,
paper?
The insole, bruh.
Oh yeah, the red.
It's like a bump.
A bump?
It's like a bump on the foot part, you know? Oh, my insole was not pushed in all the way.
Oh, it's just not flat.
Never mind.
I'm like, what are you talking about?
It was like a little hump.
Oh yeah.
In the insole.
I think I took the insoles out and then put them back in. Yeah, I didn't flatten it all the way. But yeah, you can take that out.
No bumps on the inside of this shoe.
This is a smooth shoe inside.
Yep.
So yeah, you got the sail kind of upper on the white. So this is not a bright white. You can see the bright white difference right on the outsole here.
Yeah.
And the color variation between those two.
That's nice.
You got the green hits all around. Again, the lace crowns. All of this is rubbery.
Like the off-white and the green kind of feels like kind of retro-y too.
Yeah, it's got a cool look.
Colors feel like a shoe that you'd see like in the 80s or something.
Yeah. I mean, you know, like it's kind of built off that whole military blue, again, military black color blocking, but I see what you're saying. So, yeah, you got the bright white, you got the white midsole, you green along the edge of the midsole as well.
Yeah.
But one big hit, too, that's different, man, is that gum sole on the bottom.
Yeah.
So they put that there, right, which makes it more tacky, you know, for skateboarding, things like that. So they want that, you know, close to the ground, you know, obviously by the cut of the toe, but then underneath it real tacky to stick to that board. They have like the deck of the skateboard. But this is, that's nice too, man.
It's all nice. And I like how the colors just look. I feel like the tacky part, it like blends nice with like the color.
It adds
green
a little
and the
like
off-white and stuff.
Yeah, I think
I was saying how it looks like kind of retro-y.
Coming all together. Agreed. And also I like too the Jumpman, right? So you got the red Jumpman with the flight on the tongue. I think that's dope. Just adding a little like hit of red. Just kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. You know what I mean? Zhuzh it up. Exactly. Zhuzh it up. So, I mean, other than that, it's an Air Jordan 4. But again, re-engineered for skateboarding. Again, I don't skate. Most people I know that cop these don't skate at all. But it's just a beautiful shoe. Let's see here. And the inside, I do like this too. Let me show you this. on the insole. So you've got this nice Dream Cell insole. You know, nothing fancy, polyurethane, whatever the Dream Cell is made of. But if you look at the sole on there, the Nike Air SB. So they didn't put the Air on the back of the shoe. That would have been probably too much. You know what I mean?
The Nike SB Air.
Nike SB Air.
But that's hard though.
Yeah, but that's pretty cool. And you got that. So the
This
red
is like a mega collab between Nike and Nike.
Yeah,
and
exactly. Nike, and Jordan.
Right.
So overall, man, I think again, dope shoe. What's your rating, Nigel? What you got? 1 through 10?
Man, I love these shoes, bro.
Yeah.
I love them. I think they're innovative. You know, they're mixing a whole lot of different worlds that haven't been mixed before. They look tough. I don't really got nothing to hate on with these.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna give them a 10 because they're not perfect.
Okay.
But I can't point out nothing wrong with them. So I'm gonna say a 9 because that's the best I can give them.
Okay. 9 is respectable. 9 is
Nine,
respectable.
straight 9.
For me, I mean, I think these are up there for me for sneaker of the year so far. You know, Reimagine 3s.
I agree, bro.
Probably
I mean,
right there. But I think, I'm pushing close to that 10. I love 4s. And again, they're doing something different, man, to change the game for the 4 right now. And apparently we're supposed to be getting more colorways of this too at some point this year, next year. There's like white and blue, white and
Cause this could definitely
purple.
hit in some skateboarder area. They got like whatever. They pull out a black pair of these, bro.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, agreed. So yeah, whatever color they come out, it's gonna be a problem. So let me know if y'all copped, if you picking up now. I mean, the prices I don't think gonna go down on them, but it's a hot shoe. Let me know where you rank them. All right, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.